Both print and electronic for this press meet in connection with the public issue of bonds by DSK Developers Limited. Let me introduce to you the respected dignitaries on the dais. We have with us Madam Kulkarni, President of DSK Developers Limited, and we have Shri Shirish Kulkarni, Promoter Voltam Director of the company, Mr. Nitin Deshpande, Chief Financial Officer of the company, and Mr. Amul Purandare, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer from DSKT. DSK Developers Limited is the first company in the real estate sector to come out with a recent public issue of bonds. It has been a privilege at SBI Cap to be associated with this issue. DSK Developers Limited is a real estate development and construction company primarily focusing in the area of Mumbai and Pune. They have also spread their wings to beyond Mumbai and Pune to Bangalore and Nasik.
For the introduction, on behalf of the company DSK Kulkarni Developers Limited, I welcome all the media dignitaries for this press conference. As Mr. Shankar Narayanan said, the DSK Group, now we are coming here in Chennai, so we thought let you give the information about the DSK Group. So I am running you through one short film about the DSK Group. In Nashik, Bengaluru, Chennai, we have just completed one project. We are coming up with projects in different cities also. We are now coming up with a township. The township is, we say it is a unique township which is not only, which will not be only in India, but it will be a unique in the world itself. We are saying it as a sports city. We have 36 sports in that township. It is more than 200 acres of township. So I will take you through the walkthrough of the township.
तुम्हाला मी दाखवलाय. अरे माझ्या भारताचा झेंडा ऑलिम्पिकला असा तिरंगा फडकणार आहे, झळकणार आहे. माझ्या तरुणांना ऑलिम्पिकची पदक मिळणार आहे.
Design, and of course it's its own USPs like the water bodies and a couple of other things. You'll get to learn about it more further. But let's focus on what we are here for today. Let me start by giving you a little detail about the group. We are present in real estate. As you've already seen, we are present in several cities such as Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore. We also tried our hand a little bit at Chennai. We haven't yet got great success, but I'm sure we're going to do it soon. We are also into New Jersey. We are into Nasik and other parts of the country we are going to explore as we move ahead. Now we are present in automobiles. You must have seen the video and must be imagining as to what exactly, in what capacity are we there. Now we are dealers for Toyota for the past 15 years, and I'm proud to say that we are one of the top dealers. We've been ranking #1 for almost 8 years in a row now. So we've never looked, and a very promising group, because although this issue and this situation today, or the reason why we're here, is for our real estate division, DSK Kulkarni Developers Limited, 200 crore debenture issue, but it's not about that only. We want to make sure that we come across to you as a large entity, as a large group, with having various sectors within us, and a promise and a confidence to our investors that yes, we are there, all of us are present with us. So I would like to hand over the next section of today's conference to Amul Purandare, Company Secretary, where he will share or rather throw more light on.
Coming up with the public issue of NCDs, I will take you through these slides. For this public issue, the lead manager is SBI Capital Markets. DSK Kulkarni Developers Limited is a flagship company of the DSK Group. Now, what we have seen the walkthrough is the DSK Dream City. It is an integrated township which has been approved by the government. It is more than 200 acres of the township. It is situated on the Mumbai-Hyderabad NH9 highway, and it is very close to Pune city, and which will be now connected with the ring road, which is in the DP. The base issue size is 100 crores, and we have retained the option. We have retained the option to subscribe for 100 crores. So the overall issue size will be 200 crores. The issue has been rated by CARE, which is a credit rating agency, as BBB+, which gives us the moderate savings. Our issue will be opening on the 4th of August and will close on the 26th of August. But if we are able to collect the 200 crores of the issue, then we can close the issue earlier. As I mentioned, the lead manager is SBI Capital Markets Limited.
Story building, it's a very high building, and we are working in the Bombay as well as Pune, majority in Pune and Bombay also.
So all the money you are raising for through the debenture will be used for the projects.
We use for the Pune projects majority.
Means
There are 4 projects mentioned in the prospectus as of now.
the Dream City.
Dream City is one of
Two
them.
more others.
Dream City is one of the projects. The other projects are one is Anandgan, Nandanvan and Mayurban projects, which are based out of Pune.
So when is the project will be completed?
Sorry?
Green City, what is the deadline for the
Completed completion date.